Hi, my name's David. I'm from Akron, Ohio. So before Ding King, I still work at Splash Car Wash. We are opening a detail facility that's at our main location, our Fairlawn, Ohio location. So me and my coworker will be running the detail facility. Ding King, we found Ding King through my company. We Googled a bunch of places. This was the best location. It was between this location and the South Carolina location. And we chose California because it's the main location. My first day at Ding King, it was a little overwhelming. It took a while to get used to. Those first couple of days, they are frustrating, but once you get the hang of it with the help of the instructors, you start to feel for the metal more, you start to get a hang of things more often. And then within the next couple of days, I kind of got the hang of it. I started working on actual vehicles. That is a lot different from what I started from. But again, with the help of the instructors, I pretty much got the hang of it. So after I graduate from the Ding King, I will be going back to Akron, Ohio, and we are opening up our detail facility. So like I was saying earlier, me and my coworker will be running that facility. So we're hoping to get that up within the next couple months. So we'll just go home, we'll keep practicing, and hopefully we'll have a good time with that. So here at the Ding King, it is very comfortable. The instructors, they walk around, they help a lot. They make you kind of feel at home. They give you good tips, good advice, things like that. Thank you, Ding King.